Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic for today's video is short biography of Syedna Talha bin Ubaidillah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Syedna Talha bin Ubaidillah was one of the early companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and a prominent figure in the history of Islam. He was born in Mecca into a noble and wealthy tribe known as Banu Ta'im. Even before the proclamation of Islam, Syedna Talha was known for his intelligence, bravery and generosity. He became a close friend of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, who later became the first caliph of Islam. Syedna Talha was among the first individuals to embrace Islam when our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam began preaching his message. His conversion to Islam was followed by his unwavering commitment and service to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He participated in major battles including the Battle of Badr, Uhud and the Battle of Trench. He was known for his exceptional skills in martial arts and archery, which made him a formidable fighter on the battlefield. Syedna Talha bin Ubaidillah was also known for his generosity and willingness to help others. He was known for to provide financial assistance to poor and needy, earning him the title the Generous. His wealth and resources were utilized to support the Muslim community and the expansion of Islam. After the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam left this world, Syedna Talha played a critical role in the election of Sayyidna Osman ibn Affan as the third caliph of Islam. He supported and defended Sayyidna Osman during the turbulent times of his caliphate. Sadly, Syedna Talha lost his life during the Battle of Camel, making the great sacrifice for the sake of Islam. Syedna Talha is a most highly respectable as one of the 10 companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, guaranteed paradise. His bravery and loyalty towards Islam continue to inspire Muslims around the world. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.